What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be checking out one of the coolest smart home upgrades that I've tested lately. This is the Tapo MagCam 4K Solar, a completely wire-free solar-powered security camera that just made installing a high-res camera anywhere outside your house a breeze. You might recall last year I reviewed Tapo's original MagCam, and I gave it so much praise. Those cameras are awesome. They are excellent security cameras that I still use to this day. If you're into smart homes and looking to enhance the security of your home, you're going to want to stick around to see what the MagCam Solar 4K can do. When it arrives inside the box, you've got everything you need: quick start guides, installation guides, the solar panel, the wall mount, a solar extension cable, a USB charging cable, a plate for the mount, some screws and some anchors, the magnetic base, and the camera itself. The design of this new MagCam is very similar to the previous version. It magnetically snaps onto the little base and then onto the mount to hang it onto the wall. Add the solar panel onto that and you're ready to rock. As with all Tapo gear, setting things up here is incredibly easy. Download the Tapo app, connect to the camera, follow the prompts to connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and that's pretty much all there is to it. What took me by surprise was how crisp and responsive the live feed video was. The connection test was nearly instant with super minimal lag, and it looked amazing. What's nice is that there's no need for a subscription with this camera either. You do have the option to use the Tapo Care service to back up and access your recordings in the cloud, but it's not necessary to use the camera. As an alternative, you do have the option to record locally and use micro SD cards up to 512 gigs. Mounting this camera outside could not be easier. Just put the installation sticker down as a guide, pre-drill some holes, screw it into place, add the solar panel on, snap the camera into place, and angle it to your liking. There's no need to run wires or anything like that. I ended up installing this camera on the shed in my yard. It's pretty far away from the house, and I was actually surprised by the solid connection I'm still able to get. The thing that I really like about the design of these MagCams though is how easy they are to angle any which way you want. The magnets are incredibly strong in these cameras. Once they're locked into place, they're not going to move or budge, even if there's strong wind from a storm or it accidentally gets knocked. What makes the MagCam 4K Solar a game changer for your home security is that it's completely solar powered. There's no need to take it down to charge it every few months like the original models. What's nice is that you also get dual band Wi-Fi with long range 2.4 GHz and fast stable 5 GHz connection, so even outdoors the connection stays strong with minimal lag and buffer. One of the main reasons why I love Tapo cameras is their companion app. It's simple, clean, and makes checking footage or tweaking settings super easy. Now let's talk about video quality. This is where the MagCam 4K Solar really shines. The footage out of this camera is sharp, colorful, and detailed with a wide 134-degree field of view that captures everything from faces to license plates. It even has built-in AI to detect people, pets, and vehicles. It's a big upgrade from the previous MagCam. What really blew me away though is the Starlight color night vision. Thanks to the Starlight sensor, the f1.65 lens, and built-in spotlights, you get full color footage even at night. The last thing worth mentioning is that this camera is smart home compatible. Whether you're using Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, or even IFTTT, the MagCam 4K Solar works with all of them. I have all my automation set up through Google Home, and the camera works perfectly to tune into it from my Nest Hub or TV. So to start wrapping things up, if you're looking for a hassle-free, high-quality, smart security camera that doesn't need to be charged or doesn't need to be hardwired, the Tapo MagCam 4K Solar is a massive win. Installation is easy, the video quality is sharp and vibrant, connectivity is amazing, and the flexibility that you get is hard to beat. The MagCam 4K is the MagCam upgrade that I've been waiting for. It makes quality of life improvements to the original model that make it the overall better camera. This is yet another awesome addition to my Tapo powered smart home. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I've got even more smart home tech videos on the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!